It's time I let these niggas know they really ain't fucking with me, man. And if you not so sure, nigga, then just go ask your bitch, nigga. Cause she'll tell you, we run this shit. Look, 120 a zip, 22 for the bones. If you ain't confident, don't hit my phone. Hold up, come back in on these niggas. Keep it going.
What's good, YouTube? Know what I'm saying? It's your boy D Morris 317, and we is back with another video. Know what I'm saying? We're gonna keep giving uploads every day, if not every day, every other day. I'm grinding, I'm working. Know what I'm saying? I'm trying to make YouTube my full-time job. Know what I'm saying? So we just gonna keep at it. So all right, before we get into this video, I need you to like, comment, subscribe for me. Know what I'm saying? Like, comment, and subscribe. Know what I'm saying? If you ain't subscribed to me already, go ahead and subscribe. And then when you do subscribe, hit that notification bell. Make sure y'all do all. Don't do some, none, and do all. Make sure all my videos come to your phone if you really supporting me, if you fucking with me. Know what I'm saying? And we just gonna get into it. So this video, we are going to get into saving 3 ways on how to save money faster. Know what I'm saying? Hold on, let me. Okay, 3 ways how to save money faster. Know what I'm saying? And this is for everybody. This is not for a certain group of people. If you do got a job, if you don't got a job, know what I'm saying? And take these ways that I am giving out to y'all, you know, as information that you can use in the future, or as of right now, you can start saving to now with a little bit. And the examples that I am going to give out, they're just going to be examples. You don't have to do the same amount, or you know, things like that. It's just work for me, what has worked for me, how I was able to save almost, you know, $15,000 this year, 2022 alone. This 2022. So just how, you know, how I was able to save, you know, almost $15,000 this year or whatever. So you got 3 different ways that's going to help you. So first, we got determination, self-control, and goals. Now this is just one way, you know what I'm saying? I know I said 3 things, but this is just one way of what I'm doing. So basically, y'all get y'all a little pen and paper and write this down or whatever. So you know what I'm saying, y'all good, and you can take this information and do something with it. You know what I'm saying? So all right, first, goals, short-term and long-term goals. You know what I'm saying? Everybody needs goals if you want to be successful. You need goals. You need some type of goals, short-term, long-term, mid-term. Know what I'm saying? You need to have some type of goals so that you can reach it. Just like for YouTube, for instance, I'm trying to get monetized right now. I'm on my way there. I'm close. Know what I'm saying? I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers or whatever. So you know, I got a lot of goals. You gotta have goals to be successful. Short-term and long-term goals. Short-term. What are you saving for short term? It can be, I want to have this certain amount of money by this time. I'm trying to save up for this, you know, this time or whatever. You know, you gotta have some type of goals, long term goals. I'm trying to save so my kids to be able to do what they want. I'm trying to save for college. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to save so I can be able to pay off college, pay off my debts. You know, those can be short-term and long-term at the same time. You know, you just got to have some type of goals, because if you don't have goals, how are you going to save? How are you going to be able to save? How are you going to have in your mind that you're willing to save? You know what I'm saying? Determination and all of that. You won't be able to get nowhere far if you don't got any goals. You know what I'm saying? And then it goes back to self-control. You got to have self-control. You ain't gonna be able to save if you're not out here, you know, what you gonna buy everything that you want. You can't buy everything that you like. You know, it's gonna be there later. It's always gonna be there another time. So self-control. oh, I want this now. You don't need it now unless you need it at the exact moment. You don't need it now. That's where self-control comes in. You can be at the store, you got the money, but do you need it? No. It's just getting it just to get it. You'll never be able to save. You know what I'm saying? My grandma and my mom always told me, if I don't got it past 3 times where I can buy it 3 times, don't get it. It don't make sense. Because why? Just for the simple fact, oh, you buy it, then you get the thinking, excuse me, y'all, you get the like, dang, man, I bought this, and then you get the regretting it the next day, and all of this. Now you assed out because you done spent your money on it, and you can't take it back. Well, you can, you know, stuff got refunds and, you know, stuff like that. But who want to do that? If you wanted it, you bought it already. Ain't no point. Hold on. Woo! Gave me a rush. All right. So now, as you know, short term, long term goals, we got that in self-control. Now, the second thing on the list is creating a budget. If you don't know what a budget is, basically how much you can spend for that time being, whether it's for that week, you need a weekly budget, you need a monthly budget, and I really wouldn't say a yearly budget. I mean, people do make those. I don't make a yearly budget. I make weekly budgets and monthly budgets. And you know, the monthly budget is basically me just getting out all my bills out the way, writing them down. You know, composition notebooks, they definitely work good. I'm starting to use them for my videos, these and whiteboards. But so basically it's more of like, all right, expenses, bills, food, clothes, transportation, etc. Gas, you gotta put in your car. Gas prices is high as fuck right now. I don't know I'm finna get me an electric car. I'm finna try to save up, get me a Tesla, cause ain't no way I'm finna be paying these gas prices. Gas prices is high. So I don't gotta have your budget. How much you eat a week? I say my budget. Let's see. Where my pen at, y'all? Where my pen at? I don't even know. Okay. Let's say I'm finna create a budget right now. Let's say I eat $100 worth of food a week. $100 worth of food. I put about $100 worth of gas in my car a week. That's already at $200 for your weekly budget. So we got food. I don't eat $100 worth of food a week, but you know, I'm just making examples of food. You got gas. How much gas you put in your car? Do you need to buy clothes every week? No, some people don't. Most people don't. I usually like to buy like underwears and tank tops and socks and stuff. So I say about $30 a week. You know, you got kids. You know, kids need to eat too or whatever. I got boys. You know what I'm saying? So I mean, I send my baby mama money. So you know, that's not every week, but for the simple fact that if you do got kids that live at home with you, that's another bill. So I say about $50 for one. You know what I'm saying? So that is now almost $300 in a weekly budget. If you don't make that much, it might be smaller, but this is just for me. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be able to save and budget. You know what I'm saying? Because if you don't budget, you gonna just spend all your money. Then you gonna be just working week to week, you know, paycheck to paycheck. That is not what's up. So then you got, you know, stuff like transportation. If you don't got a car, you got to think about your Uber, Lyft, you know, stuff like that or whatever. You got to have this stuff planned out in order to be able to save. Because if not, I mean, you can just go with it, just trying to save your money, but it just don't work like that. So, you know what I'm saying? You just got to get it right. Third thing, savings and investing. Saving and investing are both important things. As I've been saying about saving, you gotta have discipline to save. You gotta have discipline and self-control. If you don't got discipline and self-control, you're not gonna be able to get right. You're not gonna be able to get right. So it's like, okay, at the end of the day, if you're not saving, this video ain't for you. This is for people who want to save, want to be able to have money in your account, want to be able to buy what you want, but at the same time, knowing that since you got it, you don't have to spend it. Just because you got it don't mean you got to spend it. So we're going to savings. I do, DoorDash, Uber Eats, stuff like that. Even people, this for people who get tips, waitresses and stuff, tips. This is a good method for you to save. And so just say you put $20 a day. Oh shit. You do $20 a day. That's 7 days a week. 20 times 7. That's 140 a week. So you do 140 a week. How many weeks is it in a month? That's 4. Do 140 a week times 4. Wow. That's $560 a month that you can save by just putting $20 a day to the side. You know what I'm saying? And that's just your little stash. Man, you can do 560 times 12. That's 12 months, right? So you do this little math. That is $6,720 for a year that you just got put up, all because you put $20 a day away. Now, if that's not, saving or whatever, that's a good saving, because you can just save. Which obviously I save more than that, because I've saved up probably almost $12,000 to $15,000 just this year alone already. It's halfway there. So we're gonna, that's just some simple math, type of numbers that you can get. You can even do $5, $10 a day. You can do $100 a week. You don't even have to do the whole 140. You can do $100 a week, and you will still be able to see some nice saving profit, because you're not touching the money. Get you a nice little piggy bank or a savings account that you can't touch, and you good. Now, you do savings. That's a savings account. Sometimes, most of the time, people are not able to get bank accounts, savings accounts, because something they happen, did some scamming or whatever. Some people just not able to. So what you can do, get you a little shoebox, get you a little safe, get you a little something, put your money away, regardless, bank account or either way it go. It's both. They're both good. You know what I'm saying? Now, investing, we're going to get into investing. Investing your money is good. You can do stocks, you can do Bitcoin, you can do it's a whole bunch of coins, Ethereum and all that other stuff. I do a little Bitcoin, but not too much. I do stocks, which I'm gonna do another video about stocks, how to choose the right stocks or whatever. Investing is definitely, you can invest to a lot of things. You just got to find the right thing to invest in. So it's like, at the end of the day, it's all up to you, man. If you want the discipline, if you got the discipline and the self-control to go out here, go make this money, and then bring it back home and save it, instead of going out spending it on lavish clothes, chains and all that. I got this because I afford it and I worked hard for it, but it's like, I ain't spend my last on it. Nice cars, nice, clothes and all that. You know what I'm saying? You want to be able to save. I've been saving for probably the last almost 10 years of my life. I've been saving at least something every day, every week, every month. You save, because if you're not saving, you won't get far. You got to save your money, because it'll save yourself at the end of the day. You know what I'm saying? So, that's everything. You know what I'm saying? I just wanted to show y'all, and tell y'all how I was able to save almost $15,000 in a year, 2022, y'all. So, at the end of the day, keep grinding, keep shining. You know what I'm saying? You will get far doing both of those, saving, financing. I said financing, investing, having a budget, and just putting away, man. Having self. What's the word, man? What's the word? Fuck! My bad, y'all. It just be coming out of me, just be jumping out of me. But you know, at the end of the day, y'all know who channel to come to, and we gonna keep giving out education on how to save, how to do everything, y'all. So you know, give this video a thumbs up, like button, like, comment, subscribe, man, and tune in to the next video. I see